In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can take out and insert a SIM card on your iPhone 12 device. So this is very easily done. So let's just dive straight into the video. So the first thing we have to do is find the SIM card ejector tool, which is something like this that comes with your iPhone. Now, if you do not have something like this, you can also use something like a paper clip or a needle to kind of insert into the SIM card tray. Now on the side of the phone, we actually have the SIM card tray kind of neatly tucked into the iPhone, which also has this dot that we can kind of insert this tool into. So to open the SIM card tray, all I have to do is kind of just put that into the tray and then do like a quick firm press, and that will pop out the tray. So now once that's popped open, I can now go and put my SIM card into the tray like so. And I have it face up with the connectors, and now I can just go and put that in, firm press, and you just kind of want to make sure that it's nice and flush with the iPhone. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. That's a really quick and simple way on how to remove the SIM card tray for all iPhone 12 devices. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.